Hopper's Farm number 25 in the Challenge series was created by MathSmart Africa for preschool kids to improve their numeracy skills. We are going to do 10 sums. Time will be allowed for kids to do the calculation before the answer is given. Hopper's Farm Math Adventure. Join Hopper and friends on a magical journey through the farm. Picnic party. It's a beautiful sunny day on the farm. Hopper, Woolly and Clucky want to throw a big picnic party, but they need your help to gather the right amount of treats. Can you help them count? Hopper is picking sunflowers in the garden. Let's count how many he finds. 5, 6, 7, or 8. Okay, 7. Clucky sees a big number 4 on a barn door. Which group shows that many clicks? Okay, this group there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Woolly wants the field with more flowers. Which field has the most flowers? Field A or field B? Okay, field A, 1, 2, 3. Field B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So field B has the most flowers. Hopper is lining up fence posts. Which order goes from smallest to biggest? Which of these numbers goes from small to the biggest? Okay, is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Addition. Hopper hops through the garden. First he finds 2 carrots, then 3 more. How many carrots does Hopper have now? Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 yummy apples on the table. Woolly munches 2 apples. How many apples are left? Okay, 5 take away 2, so 1, 2, 3 left. Clucky has been busy. She made 2 nests with 3 eggs in each nest. How many eggs are there in total? Nest 1 free, nest 2 free, so altogether there are 6 eggs. There are 4 sheep in the field. Each sheep has 2 ears. How many ears in total? Okay. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So there are 8 ears. Hopper has 6 carrots to share equal between 2 bunnies. How many carrots does each bunny get? 6 carrots between 2 bunnies. Okay, each bunny will get 3 carrots. Okay, the last sum. Clucky has 8 eggs to put into 2 baskets with the same in each. How many eggs go in each basket? Okay, there are 8 eggs. It's divided into 2 groups. So each basket will get 4 eggs. Okay, that was the 10th sum. That brings us to the end of this exercise. If you want the whole app, you can get it from mathsmartafrica.org.